thanks for the opportunity. As you all know, cybersecurity is the fastest growing tech sector in the industry. Definitely something on top of everyone's mind, not only us as service providers, but for our customers. I began to realize a couple months ago how serious it was when my 70-year-old mom kept on telling me to watch out for those hackers that they can infect my company, and I thought that was pretty amusing. I've tried to tell her a number of times what I actually do for a living, but it still hasn't kicked in. Um, so first of all, what is it that we do? Number one, we are a cybersecurity talent factory, and what Cyber Warrior is offering you today is an opportunity to access on-demand security engineers. We essentially help you solve the cybersecurity talent shortage. As you may be aware, there's 4 million open jobs globally that cannot be filled because there's not enough people that are trained to take on these jobs. And so we help you solve that issue. And just to be very clear, we're not a SOC. We are not a managed detection and response service. What we are is an extension of your staff. We're essentially going to give you an opportunity to have a team of engineers that act as any other technician within your organization for you to call on. So let me, now that you have more or less the high level, let me walk you through a little bit about who we are. First of all, we've been around for 10 years. We are a cybersecurity talent factory. We do this work globally and at scale. Our background is in the enterprise space, yet we're now expanding into working with MSPs through a channel model. Last year, we received, through our foundation, we received $1 million grant from CISA in recognition of our work, one of two organizations that was recognized globally for that. And we also shared the stage with Microsoft's head of global philanthropy, also speaking about our programs, along with a multi-year grant that they also provided. So when the number one cybersecurity agency in the world, as well as the number one corporation in the world, recognize you, hopefully, you're doing something right. We've got a pretty seasoned team of executives, not only on our leadership team, but also on our advisory board. Feel free to take a look. Happy to go to our website, cyberwarrior.com/about, and you'll see the bios of these people. This is a series of industry luminaries, and we're pretty proud to be working with them in order to address not only the industry talent shortage, but to then be able to bring those resources at scale to the market. What we do is a cybersecurity talent factory. So we have two sides of our business. We have one, training, and number two, consulting services. And so we're leveraging the fact that we are manufacturing talent globally within the US and in Latin America with the ability to then make that talent available to you as managed service providers. What are we doing? Number one, it's a flexible package of hours that you can call on when you need it. Again, it's not an MDR service. These are essentially engineers that are available to you for ad hoc support. And we are able to offer that in a $500 package and a $1,000 a month package. Imagine what it would cost you for you to actually have to go out and recruit someone to be on payroll. You no longer have to do that. You have other service providers that you may work with, like many of the great vendors that you saw today. They each fill a particular need. But then there's that client that comes to you that says, hey, I just got ransomware. I need someone to help me clean this up. I need for you to do a risk assessment because I'm going through some sort of audit for HIPAA, for PCI, for any type of compliance mandate that they may have. Or they're simply asking you that they need a manual penetration test as part of an audit. And so that's where we come in to fill those gaps, to help you with those ad hoc requests where folks are coming to you and asking you for security help. Of course, what this also does is that not only it gives you an opportunity to expand your services portfolio with some of the automated tools that you've seen and some of the software that's available, but also protect your accounts from other service providers that are coming in and presenting themselves as having those resources on hand and you not currently having them available. And so, for the current promo with the channel program, we're eager to partner with Matt and Kevin on this, and we're offering 2 free months of service if you sign up for the end of the month. So, happy to answer any questions during the breakout session, and we're eager to work with you and give you an opportunity to grow as part of the cybersecurity industry.